Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily disable face identification for Safari private browsing on your iPhone. Please friends, put your likes, write your comments and also subscribe to this channel. And let's get on with this topic. And please open up your phone settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down a little bit and find Safari. And then you'll scroll down to the Safari section as well until you find a section called Security Privacy. And here you can find the option to apply Face ID to unlock private browsing. And as you can see, this feature is enabled. In order to disable it, you just need to click on this button here. Next, apply Face ID. Or you'll need to enter your phone password if Face ID doesn't respond. And after that, you will very simply disable Face ID for Safari private browsing on your iPhone. Friends, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments and be sure to put your likes. See you soon.